Finally, a YouTube growth course that values your time. Minutes, not hours. I changed one setting on my YouTube video. It worked. It got over 1 million views. Now, it wasn't some thumbnail hack. It wasn't uploading it as unlisted. What changed everything was the title. 5 hours after I uploaded it, I changed the title into one full of clickbait. It worked. I lost my dignity, but my click-through rate went to 21% and the video blew up. Most creators copy their titles from outlier videos in the same niche. The problem? You're copying the title, not the reason the title worked. So step 1, I study titles in categories that win by emotion. Think celebrities, religion, drama. Step 2, extract the formula, not the content. For example, I found this 2.4 million outlier called Don't End Up Like Sneeko. Now imagine you're in the business, marketing or infopreneur niche. Easy remix, Don't End Up Like Alex or Moses. And then bring in Iman Gatsi, who's trolling the hell out of Alex's partner, Sam Ovens. And now we're into infotainment. And no, you don't need to make drama content. You just use the drama energy to get people in. Then give them actual value, like sneaking spinach into a chocolate smoothie. Step 3, use trends in your space and high volume keywords, and don't be afraid to amplify tension or controversy. For example, Charlie Morgan recently left Dubai. He made a video about it, which blew up. Now, if your channel is about helping millionaires to move to another country, for example Dubai, to save taxes, then you can create a video titled Don't End Up Like Charlie Morgan, where you give your complete opposite view of why Dubai is a place worth moving to instead of leaving. Either way, stop playing it safe, while still keeping an eye out on your like to dislike ratio. And whatever you do, don't end up like Sneeko. Instead, end up with my free thumbnail pack to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes. Free link below. Talk soon.